بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەما هەردام خدا بما آسودم خوێندن پیشەما هەردام لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەفری دێنم ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە.
Hello everyone again and welcome back. Okay, today I'm talking about Unit 17. Unit 17, it's about the days of the week. We have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Okay, it's talking about time and it's talking about day. Okay, for example, in this picture, it's talking about the time and the day. For example, what day is it? I'm asking you, what day is it? It is Sunday. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Okay, what's the weather like today? For example, it is snowy, or it's raining, or it is sunny. Okay, what day is it? It's a question. Of course, it's a question. It is Tuesday. What day is it? What time is it? What time is it? It's 4 o'clock, or it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Okay, you should write o'clock for the 2 or 3. Great, Lucky, it's time for your English class. It is time for your English class. Okay, look, Lucky, a carrot. Look, Lucky, a carrot. We have one rabbit and we have one carrot. Okay. This is also, it's about the time and it's about the day. What day is it? It is Thursday. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What day is it? It is Monday. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What day is it? It's Wednesday. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock. What day is it? It is Saturday. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. What day is it? It's Friday. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. What day is it? It is Sunday. What time is it? It is 12 o'clock. All of this about time and about the day. Okay, listen to me. It's a sound. We have th, we have th, it will be th. Thursday, you should write capital letter, okay? Because we have Thursday, Sunday, Monday, the days of the week, you should write in capital letter at the beginning of the sentence, okay? Thursday, we have Thursday. We have 3, 13. Thank you. This, we have this, the sound, that, these, those, okay? This, that, these, those. Thursday, 3, 13. Thank you. This, that, these, those. Okay? Okay. It is saying, what day is it? Let me see. It is Thursday today. What time is it? Let me see. It's there 3 o'clock. Okay. Okay, what time is it? Let me see. It is all about this one. You can write at home, okay? It's really easy. Okay, this is a revision. Also, we talked about this one. It's Monday, and it is about time, and it's about day. Okay. Also, we finished this Unit 70. We finished all the book. Unit 18, it's a review from the beginning at the end, okay? This picture, let me read for you. You remember we did at class, okay? This one. Picture number 1, what is it? We have doctor, nurse, teacher, policeman, chef, and firefighter. Also, we have cow, horse, sheep, goat, cat, dog. We have pen, pencil, eraser, ruler, notebook, and crayon. We have chair, table, sofa, desk, lamp, bed. Also, it is tall, short. Tall, short, it means the opposite. The opposite of tall is short. The opposite of old, it's young or new. The opposite of happy, it is sad. The opposite of big, it's small, okay? Okay, we have boat, car, bus, plane, van, train, okay? Also, we have read, talk, look, write, eat, drink. And you can say reading, talking, looking, writing, eating, drinking, okay? Also, we have run, jump, walk, ride a horse, listen, sing. And you can say running, jumping, walking, riding a horse, listening, singing. Okay? Okay. Let's review. Picture number 1, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. You are students. Are you sad? Yes, I am. We said that if the question, it will be verb to be at the beginning. The answer, it will be shorter. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. Is Lucky in the box? Is Lucky in the box? No, he isn't. We studied that in, on, under, okay? In, it means in the box. Under, it means under the box, or on, it means above the box, above the desk, okay? Where's Lucky? Unit 18, lesson 3, it is also talking about the pictures that we studied at the previous lesson. We have biscuits, kebabs, pizza, chips, ice cream, sandwiches, okay? We have milk, tea, coffee, lemonade, oranges, and water. We have hand, arm, leg, foot, hand, neck. We have watch, bag, bicycle, CD, magazine, mobile phone. Also, we have shirt, t-shirt, trousers, t-shirt, shoes, skirt, trainers, okay? We have mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, and uncle, okay? We have Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, we finished this one. Go to this page. Okay, this is a question. Are you looking for Lucy? Who can tell me this question? It's present simple or present continuous? You should say that we have looking. We have verb ing. It means that if we have verb ing in the sentence, it means that this sentence, it's present continuous, okay? And we know that it's a question because we have question mark and we have verb to be at the beginning of the sentence. Are you looking for Lucy? The answer, it will be shorter, yes or no question. Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Is she sleeping in the bed? Is she sleeping in the bed? Also we have is, verb to be, she, subject, sleeping, verb ing, in the bed, complement. Also we know that it is present continuous because we have verb ing in the sentence. Okay, Lucky is in the school bag. Lucky is in the school bag. Okay. What time is it? We said that. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's time for food. Okay. And we have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday too. This is a theme. Every day is good at school. Tuesday is nice and Wednesday is fun. With my friends or on my own. Then it's Thursday. Then Friday. Every day of the week is great. Okay? We finished all the book. I hope you get a benefit from my video and goodbye.
كتابي مع